Hey guys, what's up? Baby, someone wants to say hi. It's Baby Yoda.
That's mine.
I know, but Baby Yoda just wanted to say hi. And I'm gonna show you some of my fidgets. First is the cubes.
I think that's your doctor, or you're going to Taco Bell. I don't know. Yes, that's your doctor. Great. Perfect. Once Rebecca gets in here, I don't know. You see it go?
It's a Rubik's Cube. One side is complete that is white. And one side of this is good purple. And I got simple dimple puppet screech puppet screech. Speaking of puppet screech. There
How did it stop?
is a puppet screech right here.
Until you hit me with that frying pan, I knew that he was fake fighting, so I pretended to be unconscious the whole day to see if I can trust Daniel. Makes sense.
Okay, well, obviously, Dad can obviously trust Daniel. I mean, he saved us from getting hit by
Puppet
the car.
screech, simple dimple, puppet screech. There is a puppet.
Daniel, okay? Trust me. Daniel is on our side.
Okay, hold on. I actually
Oh.
have a bit of information for you guys. Well, the dog's
Rah. Rah.
talking on the phone with somebody.
And then we got simple dimple, puppet screech, simple dimple, bouncy ball.
Who are you talking to on the phone?
It went off the table. Well, that's the next one. Where is it going? Off the table. So those were my bench balls, and we got simple dimple, puppet screech.
I feel so good to be back in the safe house. Oh, I missed this. Dad, just like the old days. We let you come back in the safe house, Daniel, and the first thing you should do is take a shower. Listen again. First, my nation offered comments yesterday about what we call this house. Once you figured it out, it was playing numbers in reverse. Let's reverse the numbers and see what it says.
36.196668 minus 115.305224.
36 points. There's no point.
Stop being so silly. Obviously, it's not the code to the lock. Those are obviously coordinates.
Let's go to the coordinates.
So that's all for today, and also one more pen. Maggie's Simple Dimple. Not actually Simple Dimple. It's this, but this crab one.
Yeah, that was like
We're watching Spine Ninjas, so you better know what we're doing. Why not? Oh! You found the pieces for it? Oh, this is not the same one.
She's on the phone right now. She's calling her baby cakes. She's still talking to her dating app boy? We're talking for dating apps right now. Whoever put the message on that lock in our door wanted us to be here. They gave us the coordinates. But she's so caught up in her feelings.
Turns into this. Can you have it? I'm showing the baby. I'm showing the baby. Okay, well, I got some more fidgets. This turns into this.
Yeah, well, at least I don't just talk to pixels. This boy's real.
Let me see this.
Hey.
Hello? Hey.
Are you with the spy?
I'll talk to you later.
Yeah, she's busy trying to find some mysterious
All right,
coordinates.
bye, baby boy.
She just pay attention to the mission. Gosh darn it. Do you remember this place?
Yeah, babe, this is where we had our battle royale.
Yeah.
I was just find clues underneath that bridge. Back when I was in Project Circle, we used to leave many messages under this bridge. See anything? Where would you used to leave these messages in here? Here's the one right now. Easy greater than. That's why it's up here. burned down, all was lost. You thought you were done. Until a kind gesture, easy one.
Whoa, that's a rhyme.
I would make sure to add something from.
This is a riddle. Remember when our house burned down in California?
Yeah.
We had to leave California, move to Las Vegas because you, the lie detector guy, said I've got a safe house of my own. It's over in Las Vegas. You and I needed a place to live. Daniel's old safe house. You gotta go to your old safe house to find the next clue.
I know my old safe house better than anyone.
That's your old safe house.
Remember that thing?
Last time we were here, a bunch of hackers took it over. There could still be old former hackers living in there.
I see this place again. Yeah, this safe house is not nearly as defended as Regina's safe house. Guys, comment down below if you were watching us when we had this as our old safe house.
Before we go into the safe house, let's just scan the area.
This could be a trap. We've been getting soft since we haven't had to deal with Project Sorgo, so we can't let our guard down. You hold the camera. Why do I? Just look at her.
Hey, baby.
I mean, she. Hey, what you think? But it just, it kind of annoys me that she's not focusing on the mission. Regina, come on. Regina, hello. Focus on the mission. We gotta find out where these clues are leading us to. Hey guys, Regina's back.
I found something. Why would there be an Amazon box back here? Hackers used to deliver items to each other in Amazon boxes.
Oh. Well, I'm glad it's not droppings.
It's one of my old gadgets I haven't seen in forever. Remember this? Octagonal metal nunchucks? I haven't seen those in forever.
Watermelon.
Maybe this was left for us. Someone's gonna help us.
Yeah, the guy said a riddle about coming to the old safe house.
We love this list. Chad, this is your forte.
Oh, everybody back up. Whenever someone is swinging around nunchucks, you gotta check your range, you gotta make sure no one's around, because it's dangerous. I forgot how heavy these nunchucks were. I haven't used these in years. Let's see what's going on with this watermelon. It must have been left for a reason.
3, 2, 1.
Smoking. Ooh. Bye bye. And the pea popper. The pea popper. Please. Oh.
It's a letter of some sort.
Yeah, is that a cake or?
That's all for today.